Hi everyone, I'm Harsha and welcome to my CS50 Wiki project. This is a Wikipedia-like encyclopedia site that I have built using Python, Django and HTML. Let me show you how it works. I'll start by visiting the URL /wiki/Django. This renders the encyclopedia entry for Django. The content is written in Markdown and is automatically converted to HTML for proper formatting. Also, the entry titles are case insensitive, so if I visit wiki slash capital D, capital J, small a and G, and then again capital O, so you can see this again works the same. But now if I visit a page that does not exist, like wiki slash unknown page, it displays a custom error page saying the requested page was not found, along with a link to return to home page. Now I click on this home link in the sidebar. We see a list of all the existing encyclopedia entries. Each title is clickable. Let me click through each one like CSS. And as you can see, I'm taken directly to its entry page. Similarly, Django, then Git, HTML, and finally Python. Now let's test the search functionality. First, I'll search for Django. This exactly matches our entry title Django. I'll press enter, so I'm taken directly to its entry page. Now I'll search for a partial keyword like though, THO, and press enter. This brings me to a search results page with all the entries that contain though in the title. For example, Python. Clicking it takes me to its page. But now if I search something completely unrelated like apple pie, I see a message saying no results found for apple pie, and again a link to return to home page. Now I'll demonstrate creating a new page. Let's add a title, say JavaScript, and some markdown content like JavaScript is a programming language. After clicking save, the new page is created and I'm redirected to it. If I try to create another page with the same title, like JavaScript, and again some markdown content, then after pressing save, I'm shown a proper error message saying a page with the title JavaScript already exists. On any entry page like CSS, I can click this edit page link. This takes me to an edit form pre-filled with the current markdown content of the page. I'll add a new line here. For example, this is a test update. I click on save changes. Now the page is updated and we can see the new content rendered right away. When I click on this random page link, it takes me to a randomly selected entry each time, like Django this time, now CSS, again Django, CSS, Python, Django. This feature is great for exploring new topics. Now, as seen in all entries, Markdown syntax like hashtag for headings or double hashtags for subheadings or double stars to bold the text is rendered properly. That's because I'm using the Python Markdown 2 library in the backend to convert Markdown to HTML. So this wraps up my demo of the CS50 Wiki project. I have shown entry viewing, searching, editing, creating new pages, random selection, and markdown rendering, all working smoothly with Django. Thanks for watching.